By the end of the day today, 16 MPs from Mount Kenya, allied to Deputy President William Ruto, will have marching orders on how to engage their colleagues and the people of Mount Kenya on an economic revival plan that they hope will set them ahead of their counterparts in President Uhuru Kenyatta's corner. For 3 days, the MPs met Deputy President William Ruto and a host of economists led by former Raila Odinga ally, now turned critic David Ndii, to look at an economic proposal for turning around the fortunes of the mountain as a fresh avenue to endear the DP to the people of the mountain. Sources within the meeting insist nothing political was discussed except economic revival plans, including firming up the bottom-up approach that has become a clarion call of the DP. Last week, at the home of Kikuyu MP Kimani Ichung'wah, a proposal was made to be handed over to the DP, and it is understood most of their requests were addressed at the meeting.
Tungependa Wakenya wetu wawe wanajua tunaangalia pia manufaa yao ya katika ukulima wa miraa, ukulima wa mchele, ukulima wa mpunga, ukulima wa ndengu, ukulima wa maragwe, mahindi, pyrethrum na avocado, makadamia, majani chai na kahawa na maziwa.
There was no media invitation for the Masai Mara meeting, save for these photos shared widely on social media. It is the presence of David Ndii that has thrown a spin to the whole script. According to a source within the meeting, Ndii has been instrumental in coming up with strategies that will play into economic revival per county. The MPs say they represent 11 counties that make up the mountain. Ndii is said to have come up with a plan that will help the MPs speak to issues that are resident in the 11 counties.
It is usual business to sit here as politicians and negotiate with another political leader for political positions and for politics' sake, and what will be politically expedient to the candidate and even to us as political leaders. It is that matrix of engagement that we are saying we want to change. We want to put the aspirations and the needs of the people ahead of everything else.
After today's meeting, the 16 MPs are expected to meet their counterparts later this week before setting in place a plan that will see the roping in of religious leaders, local opinion leaders, business people and MCAs to cement their plan.
Ask even those members of parliament, if they go back to their own individual constituencies, do they carry the aspirations and the mandate of the people whom they are purporting to represent?
Early last week, DP Ruto met former Central Bank Governor Njuguna Ndung'u, where it is said they discussed prospects of working together moving forward. According to a communique, the two discussed the DP's economic revival plans and his role in beefing up his thoughts and helping the different regions in realizing economic gains. Ndung'u and Ndii are part of a growing list of economists that are now working with the DP towards his 2022 plans. Kennedy Mureithi, NTV.